Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run YouTube Shorts ads. Want to promote your content with YouTube Shorts ads? In this video, I'll show you how to run YouTube Shorts ads and reach a wider audience. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to create a YouTube Shorts video. And to do that, just your ad should be under 60 seconds and a vertical, that means a 19:16 aspect ratio, and make sure the video is engaging within the 3 seconds to keep viewers hooked. Once you record the video, the second step is to upload the video to your YouTube channel, and to do that, just go to YouTube Studio and upload the video and add a catchy title or description and relevant hashtags like #shorts, or if you're using the app, just click on plus and select video and browse through your gallery to find the video you want to post. As for the third step is to set up a YouTube ad campaign in Google Ads, and to do that, just visit Google Ads and click on new campaign and choose create a campaign without a goals guidance. After that, select video and click on custom video campaign. As for the fourth and final step is to define the target audience and budget. Set your daily budget and choose your audience by interests, location, and age and gender if needed. As for the next step is to place the ad in YouTube Shorts, and to do that, under networks, select YouTube Shorts as the replacement and add your Shorts video URL and set a bidding strategy, example, maximize views, and click on launch campaign to start running your ad. Keep your ad short and engaging and hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, and add a clear CTA, a call to action like subscribe now or shop now. And also track performance in Google Ads Analytics to optimize your campaign. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to run YouTube Shorts ads and promote your content. Try it today and grow your audience faster. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.